Hello friends, today I'm going to share with you learning design, that is LD, and these LDs are used in B.Ed. While you are studying B.Ed, you are supposed to make LDs. So here is one LD on the subject English, topic noun for class 6, which you can use it as a reference. You can also write it down, you can take a screenshot so that you can take a help from it and benefit as well. Here we go. Now see, friends, when you are making LD, you must have been explained by your mentors and teachers where you are learning, where you are getting this course done, how you need to write. So this may vary from college to college. This is how we were told to write, wherein I am writing the subject, then the lesson which I'm going to teach, then is the subunit. Subunit means the topic that I'm going to cover in this 40 minutes. So that I will write in form of a pointers. This is today's lesson, which is very, very important to be mentioned. And then comes the learning objective, which you must have been told, remembering, understanding, etc. etc. So I'll be showing it to you all. Definitely write down the name of the institute, the class you will be going to teach, duration of that entire class, the date and name of the trainee teacher. Now, in the second slide, you see it's just the follow-up of the first one, the learning objective, as I said. This is understanding, then it's applying. So these are the points and these are the keywords. CK means cognitive knowledge. And then it comes the creating. For develop and select learning materials, these are the things that we use while teaching. And specific teaching learning materials are the textbook, the specific textbook which we will be referring, flashcards which we will be showing to the students, and a chart paper which is a pictorial chart showing types of noun. Then comes the learning strategies, like what strategy I will be using to teach the topic noun. Here what I am showing here is a glimpse of a blackboard. So this is supposed to be actually pasted on also the blank side of the LD, wherein we cut out a black paper which looks as if it's a blackboard, and then with a white sketch pen we write these details, which you can find it here. This is a further detailing of how and what method I will be using to explain the topic. This is a group activity which I will be conducting so that students are more thorough with the explanation. Designed for evaluation. Now this is a sample paper wherein I will be asking the questions. Evaluation means a test. So once I have completed my explanation, it is very necessary that I try to analyze whether my students have understood whatever that I have taught. So here are the few questions, and which we will be posting it to the students. Now this is a final worksheet. Now after that design of evaluation is comes a final worksheet which carries marks, means it's a test which I'll be taking once I have understood and gauged that my students are clear with the concept. This is the final paper of the LD. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you will benefit from this LD. This LD is for reference. You can use it, refer it, and try to write LDs all by yourself. Thank you for watching.